ओके, तो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज 2x प्लस 3y, 2x प्लस 3y इक्वल टू, क्वेश्चन इज sin x. This is question. It is very easy. We have to differentiating with respect to x with both sides. So 2 into differentiation of 1, 3 divided by dx, or sin x, this is cos x. Okay, first of all we have to find 3 divided by dx. So we have separate in LHS, 3 divided by dx, and remaining part is RHS. So this is cos x plus 2, here is minus 2. First of all we have to find divided by dx. This is the method. The divided by dx equal to cos x minus 2 upon 3. This is a value of this question. The first question is complete. Second question. And second question, we have 2x plus 3y equal to sin y. Same question we have to find divided by dx, differentiating both sides with respect to x. So 2 into 1 plus 3 into dy by dx equal to sin y, this is cos y into dy upon dx. This is divided by dx, we have to common. So this is 3 divided by dx minus cos y divided by dx. We have to LHS, or this is minus 2, that is RHS, and we have to take divided by dx common. So divided by dx common, so 3 minus cos y equal to minus 2, or divided by dx equal to, this is minus 2 upon, here is 3 minus cos y. This is the answer. Answer is, we have to 2x plus 3y equal to sin y. So differentiation of x equal to 1 plus 3, differentiation with respect to x, divided by dx, sin y cos y into divided by dx. We have to separate in LHS. So 3 divided by dx minus cos y divided by dx equal to minus 2. We have to take common divided by dx. So this is 3, it minus cos y equal to minus 2, and divided by dx minus 2, this is in RHS to divide. So minus 2 upon 3 minus cos y plus by square equal to cos y. This is question. First of all we have to same process, a differentiation of x 1, and this is 2 b y into divided by dx. Okay, and cos y, this is minus sin y into divided by dx. Okay, first of all separating LHS. So here is, so we have to take common directly. So divided by dx. Here is 2by, and this is minus, here this is change into plus, because we have to take in LHS, and it is separate minus a. This is simple process because we have to find divided by dx. This is very interesting. Minus a, this is divide form, so 2b by, this is very easy, 2b by plus, or this is also divided by dx. First of all we have to explain here. This is equation. So same process, ax plus by square equal to cos y. So a into 1, or this is 2b by divided by dx, or cos y का minus sin y into divided by dx. Here is dy dx, we have to take common divided by dx. here it is remaining 2by, and here it is plus sin y, this is minus a, and we have to take dy by dx, so this is the division form. So minus a upon 2by plus sin y, this is the answer. Fourth number question we have to write. Fourth number question, xy plus y square. So xy we have to clearly we have to write from book xy plus y square equal to tan x plus y. This is question. Okay. First of all, we have to differentiate. We have to seriously we have to take tan x plus y. This is in product form, so x into dy by dx. This is in product form u and v plus y into 1 plus y square, so 2y into dy by dx. This is tan x, so sec square x plus y dy by first of all we have to differentiate with respect to x, then we have to take common. So here is dy by dx, here is also dy by dx, here is also dy by dx. So we have to take common and we have LHS, so dy by dx. Here is x, so this is x, here is plus 2y, this is also here is LHS, so minus 1, and this is RHS sec square x, or this is minus y. Minus y is y plus, so that is we have to take in RHS to minus y, and last case is dy by dx. And last sec square we have to write step same to same from here, or x plus minus 1. First of all we have to explain why xy plus y square equal to tan x plus y. So x dy by dx plus y into 1, this is y square 2y into dy by dx, or equal to sec square x plus dy by dx. Here is here and here, so we have to take dy by dx is common. Here is x plus 2y, and this is also minus 2y, so this is we have to take minus 1 equal to sec square x minus y, then dy by dx sec square x minus y, or x plus 2y. This is very easy. Okay, this is the next question. X square plus xy, x square plus xy plus y square equal to 100. This is the question. Same, we have to process, we have to take differentiate both sides. So this is 2x plus x into 2x plus x into dy by dx plus y into 1 plus 2y into dy by dx equal to 0. This is constant. We have to take common, so dy by dx. Here is x plus 2y. Only we have this is dy by dx, this is dy by dx. Here is x plus 2y. Only we have two terms. This is plus y, this is minus y, or here minus 2x. So dy by dx equal to minus y minus 2x upon x plus 2y. It is complete. And we have to also explain x square का 2x और x into y product rule, x into dy by dx plus y into 1 y square का 2y into dy by dx equal to 100 is constant, that is 0. Next dy by dx, here is both have dy by dx, we have to take common. So here is x, here is also plus 2y equal to minus y minus 2x, and dy by dx equal to minus y minus 2x upon x plus 2y. This is clear. के पावर 3 प्लस एक्स वाई एक्स स्क्वायर वाई प्लस एक्स वाई एक्स स्क्वायर वाई एक्स स्क्वायर वाई एक्स स्क्वायर वाई सेकेंड टर्म थर्ड टर्म इज एक्स वाई स्क्वायर। अच्छा प्लस वाई के पावर 3 इक्वल टू 81। ओके नेक्स्ट हियर इज एक्स के पावर 3 में 3 फर्स्ट टर्म इज कंप्लीट सेकेंड टर्म इज प्रोडक्ट फ्रॉम यू एंड वी तो एक्स स्क्वायर इंटू डिवाइड बाय डी एक्स प्लस वाई इंटू 2x this is product from u and v so we have two terms next plus x or 2y into divided by dx x 2y by dx plus y square into 1 plus 3 y square divided by dx equal to 0. First of all we have to check this is first term so 3x square second term is uv so we have x square divided by dx plus y into 2x is clear third term x so x into 2y divided by dx plus y square into 1 this is clear third term is y के power 3 so 3y square into divided by dx equal to 0. Here are we have two terms there are we have to take common divided by dx and this is also this is 2x y plus 3y square or this is minus y square or just single term it means divided by dx equal to this is a y this is minus y square upon 2xy plus 3 y square. Okay, this is a clear. Okay, next question. Sin square y we have to clearly first term is sin square y second term is cos xy cos x y this is angle or equal to pi so we have 2 sin y 2 sin y into divided by dx first term is clear second term is this is minus sin xy into x this is multiplication form so this is x into dy by dx plus y into 1 और पाई का पाई is constant this is equal to 0 we have also this half and this half dy by dx so we have to take common so dy by dx this term 2 sin y इसको मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो जाएंगे शायद माइनस एक्स और माइनस एक्स साइन एक्स वाई ओके और रिमेनिंग टर्म इज हियर तो प्लस माइनस माइनस तो इधर आकर प्लस हो जाएगा और इसे मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो हो जाएंगे शायद वाई साइन एक्स वाई we have to find dy by dx so this is y sin x y upon 2 sin y minus x sin x okay Okay, this is last question.